This sequence of videos covers an introduction to functions for the A-Level Maths course for any exam board. To get the most out of this video, first of all, make sure you've got a copy of the support sheet. If you don't currently, pause the video and have a look in the video description and you'll find a link to be able to download it. It contains all of the notes in this video and also space to write in the answers to the example problem pairs used. When you're making notes on the videos, be aware that the definitions and key facts are usually already written on the support sheet, and so you don't need to write them down for yourself, but you might want to annotate them if you think of something helpful. When we get onto the example problem pairs, the best way to use them is to first watch the example, listen to the explanation, and then pause the video and copy it down. I realise that it is quicker to write and watch at the same time, but unfortunately, if you're doing two things at once, you're much less likely to retain the information that you're watching. After you've copied down the example, there's always a problem that's paired with it. Pause the video and have a go at that problem before you watch the solution. By doing that, you'll learn much more and you'll understand the maths a lot better than if you're just mindlessly copying down the examples. Finally, as there's limited space to write each example on the support sheet, you might want to make sure you're using a pencil or an erasable pen like a friction pen so that if you do make a mistake, you can easily correct it.